Make sure your machine is clean and free from any leftover coffee. This will affect the flavour of your espresso, and we're aiming for the very best here. Grind your coffee, or allow us to do this for you.
Just order fine grind and use your scales to fill your portafilter basket with 18 grams of Pact Coffee.
If you don't have scales, aim to fill your basket to the top with ground coffee. Make sure the coffee is distributed evenly in the basket. Some espresso machines will come with distribution tools,
but you can repeatedly tap the side of your portafilter if you don't have one. Rest the side of your portafilter on the side of a table and use your tamper to apply pressure to the coffee.
Purge your espresso machine to get rid of any old water or coffee.
Insert your portafilter into the group head.
Put your cup on your scales and underneath where the water falls, and start the water flow. Keep this flowing until you have 36 millilitres of espresso. You might want to hit stop just before you reach 36 grams, as most espresso machines have a delay between pushing the button and the water flow stopping. Purge your steam wand to get rid of any water that's caught up in the system. Fill your milk jug with around 190 millilitres of milk. Tilt your milk jug and put the steam wand just below the surface of the milk, facing the spout of the jug. Turn your steam wand on. A whirlpool effect should appear in your milk. When your jug is hot to the touch, turn off your steam wand. Tap the bottom of the jug on a counter until all the bubbles have gone. The milk should look thick and deliciously glossy. Hold your mug at a slight angle and pour a slow, thin stream of milk over your espresso. Wipe your steam wand and purge, then enjoy your latte.